creating and selling online courses on Udemy and Skillshare. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel How to Make Money Top 10 videos, where we talk about ways to make money online. In this video, we're going to share with you our top 10 tips for creating and selling online courses on Udemy and Skillshare. If you're interested in creating passive income streams, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Choose your topic wisely. Choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about. Make sure it's a topic that people are interested in learning about and that there's a demand for. When creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, it's important to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This will not only make it easier for you to create quality content, but also make the course more engaging for your students. Additionally, it's important to choose a topic that has a demand in the market. Conducting market research can help you determine the popularity of the topic and the potential audience size. By choosing a topic that is in demand, you increase your chances of attracting more students and earning more revenue. Tip 2. Do market research before you start creating your course. Do some market research to see what other courses are out there on the same topic. Look at the reviews and ratings of these courses to see what people like and don't like about them. Use this information to make your course even better. To do market research, you can use the search functions on Udemy and Skillshare to find courses similar to the one you want to create. Look at the course descriptions, reviews, and ratings to get an idea of what people are looking for in a course on that topic. You can also use tools like Google Trends or keyword research tools to see how many people are searching for information related to your course topic. By understanding the market, you can tailor your course to meet the needs of potential students and make it stand out from other courses on the same topic. Tip 3. Plan out your course before you start creating it. This includes creating an outline, deciding on the length of each lesson, and figuring out what materials you'll need. When creating an online course on Udemy or Skillshare, it's important to plan it out in advance. This involves creating an outline for your course, deciding on the length of each lesson, and figuring out what materials you'll need. By having a clear plan in place, you can ensure that your course is well organized and easy to follow. It also helps you to stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked during the course creation process. Additionally, planning your course in advance can save you time and prevent you from having to make significant changes later on. Tip 4. Use high-quality equipment. Invest in high-quality equipment to create your course, such as a good microphone and camera. This will ensure that your course is professional and high quality. Investing in high-quality equipment is important when creating online courses for platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. This includes a good microphone for clear audio and a high-quality camera for clear video. Investing in equipment can improve the overall production value of your course and make it more engaging and professional-looking for your students. This can lead to positive reviews and ratings, which can increase the visibility of your course and ultimately lead to more sales. Don't let poor audio or video quality detract from your course content, as it can affect the perceived value and credibility of your work. Tip 5. Create engaging content. Create engaging content that will keep your students interested and motivated. Use visuals, animations, and interactive quizzes to make your course more engaging. Creating engaging content is crucial for the success of your online course. You need to make sure that your students stay interested and motivated throughout the course. To achieve this, you can use a variety of techniques such as visuals, animations, and interactive quizzes. These techniques will make your course more interesting and engaging for your students. Visuals such as diagrams, images, and videos can help break up the text and make the content more appealing. Animations and interactive quizzes can help reinforce concepts and make learning more fun. By creating engaging content, You can increase the chances that your students will complete your course and give it a positive rating. Tip 6. Keep your course concise. Keep your course concise and to the point. People have short attention spans, so make sure you're delivering your content in a clear and concise manner. When creating and selling online courses, it's important to keep your course concise and to the point. People often have short attention spans, so it's essential to deliver your content in a clear and concise manner. Make sure to focus on the key concepts and avoid going off topic or including unnecessary information. Break down your content into manageable chunks and use headings and bullet points to make it easier to digest. Keeping your course concise will help your students stay engaged and motivated, and it will also make it easier for them to retain the information you're teaching. Tip 7. Use SEO techniques to optimize your course for search engines. This includes using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Tip 8. Offer a free preview. Offer a free preview of your course to entice people to enroll. This will give them a taste of what your course is about and increase the likelihood that they'll enroll. Offering a free preview of your course is a great way to attract potential students to enroll in your course. It provides them with a glimpse of what your course offers and helps them decide if your course is right for them. Make sure to highlight the most important and interesting parts of your course in the preview to keep the viewer engaged. The preview should be short and to the point, providing a clear idea of what to expect in the full course. This is an effective marketing strategy that can increase enrollment and ultimately boost your earnings. Tip 9. Engage with your students. Engage with your students by responding to their questions and comments. This will help build a community around your course and increase engagement. Tip 10. Promote your course. Promote your course on social media and other platforms to increase visibility. You can also offer discounts, and promoting your course is essential to attract potential students. Use social media platforms to share information about your course and its benefits. Identify your target audience and create a marketing plan that caters to their interests. Consider creating a website, blog, or video that explains what your course is about and its unique features. Offering discounts and promotions can also help entice students to enroll. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth advertising. Encourage students to share your course with their friends and colleagues. As your course gains popularity, consider creating an affiliate program where other influencers can promote your course and earn a commission for each sale. And that's it! Those are our top 10 tips for creating and selling online courses on Udemy and Skillshare. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on making money online. Thanks for watching.